What is managed code? Managed code is code that runs under the control of the common language runtime in .NET. It is compiled into intermediate language and executed by the CLR, which provides runtime services like memory management and security. Key features: runs inside CLR, automatic garbage collection, type safety, built-in exception handling, security enforcement, and platform independence via .NET Runtime. Example: C# code compiled and executed in .NET and Visual Basic .NET applications. What is unmanaged code? Unmanaged code key features: no CLR involvement, manual memory management, faster execution in some cases, platform dependent, and greater risk of memory leaks. Example: C++, C, and Windows API components. And here's a comparison table between managed code and unmanaged code.